Well, it has two parts. I ask, the first version I did, it was basically one person, they would take notes on basically what, they'd summarize the class, give a few keywords and definitions from the class, and then I asked them to include an excerpt from the class reading that seemed to have something to do with one of the themes or topics we talked about in the class. And that was there. The idea was is that they would then make connections between what happens in the classroom and what's going on with the rest of the class material. So the first version of that worked out okay. The students seemed to give a sense that okay, they did the assignment. It was mostly satisfactory for most people in terms of how I graded it. Like people did well enough on it. But then at the course evaluation time, the students said, yeah, it was okay, but they weren't really that enthusiastic about it. And some of the students said, well, the notes were posted because of the compressed summer schedule. The notes got posted a little too late for them to be useful.
Oh.
So they kind of questioned the usefulness of the assignment, at least in that context. So then the next time I did it, actually I came and talked with you, Chad, and about redoing it, and you would give me a great suggestion of breaking up the roles of that so that different students perform different tasks on the assignment. So one student would be the reporter in that they would record what was going on in class, summarize it, and give those keywords. A second student performed a role that I called the editor, where they would be the one to make that connection with the class reading, give the excerpt of the reading, but also explain how that class reading related to that concept, one of the concepts up above that would have been pulled out by the reporter.
Sure.
So in this way, I sort of doubled the participation. A student had to perform both roles for the assignment. They had to do editor one day and then reporter another day.